morning all. Welcome to sixth session of tenses. It is also about simple present. In this session, I want to explain to you some other uses of simple present. Some other cases where we use simple present. The cases are six. One is universal truths, habits, present condition, proverbs, likes and dislikes, and explicit plan. To indicate simple present, we have to use. To indicate universal truths, we have to use simple present. To refer the habits, to say habits, we have to use simple present. To say present condition, we have to use simple present. Proverbs, likes and dislikes, explicit plan. In these all cases, we have to use simple present only. Simple present tense. Universal truths means Telugu nitya satyalu. It happens every day, every time. We never stop it, and they never be stopped. Is it clear? So universal truth means it happens every day. Okay, we never stop it, and they won't be stopped. They won't be stopped by someone or for someone. The cow does give me. Only cow gives me, not buffalo. Okay, it is a universal truth. So that it is a third one singular. So that answer is gives. Answer is gives. You need not to think about it is a simple present because there is a universal truth. Okay, without referring or without thinking about it is what is the tense, you can write it what is a simple present. Simple present tense. Water boils at 100 degree centigrade. Yes, water, it's a universal truth, boils at 100 degree centigrade. Water is third one singular, so that boils. Okay, it is a universal truth. Okay, next one. Earth does revolve around the sun. Earth always revolves around the sun. It is also universal truth. It is third one singular, so that revolves. Is it clear now? In place of Earth, there is no I, there is no we, there is no you. It is a third one singular. Earth is singular, so that third person singular. Is it clear? When there is a I, that is a first person singular. When there is a you, that is a second person singular and plural. We, that is a first person plural. When there is no I, we, you, the thing is a third person. Singular, third person singular. Plural, third person plural. That's all. Water, there is no I, we, you, so it is a third person singular, so that it is a third person singular. Okay, universal truths. Okay, Earth revolves around the sun. Earth always revolves around the sun. Okay, it never stops. And next one, allowed habits. Every habit of person can be written in simple present only. He does wake up at 5 a.m. every day. What will happen? He gets up at the same time, so that it's a universal. It is a habit. It is a habit. Habit can be written in simple present. Which person it is? Third person singular, so that wakes up. What is that? He wakes up at 5 a.m. every day. Next one, I take a glass of milk before going to bed every day. Daily, we had a habit. What is that? Take a glass of milk. Glass of milk. It is a habit. Which person it is? The first person. So that only take. I take a glass of milk before going to bed daily. Ragini does visit temple twice a week. It is a habit of Ragini. Ragini visits temple twice, 2 times in every week. So that it is a simple present habit of Ragini. Ragini is a third one singular, so that visits. Is it clear what I am saying? Okay, in place of subject there is no I, we, you. So it is a third person. Ragini is singular, it is a third one singular. When subject is third one singular, we add s or es to the v1. So visits. All these three are habits. Next one, present condition. Present condition in explaining present condition, you have to use be forms only. Simple present tense be forms. What are the simple present B forms? Is, am, are, has, have. As, have. Okay. So present condition means what is the status of everyone in this country or in this place, or what is the present situation around you? What is the present situation around you? What is the present situation around us? Is weather is cool. B means cool. What is the B form? So weather is third one singular, so that we have to use what is that? Is. Weather is cool. At present, the weather is very cool. Very cool. And Jagan dash be the CM of AB. This is the present condition of our state. And the condition of Jagan also. So is third one singular, so that Jagan is the CM of AB. Next one, I dash the a car. We can't say I am a car. In our car, it's wrong. So that you have to use the right B form means you have to use as or have. It is the first one singular, so that we have to use what is that? I have a car. Okay. I have a car means I own a car. I car It is my status. It is my status. Is it clear what I am saying? So this is my present condition. I am the owner of the car. So present condition is very simple one. To show the status of a person, status of a place, status of what is that? The surroundings. So to refer status condition, present condition, you have to use B forms only. All B forms. Okay. The next one, proverbs. Sametulu. Whenever we use proverbs, we have to use only single present. We have to write proverbs in a single present. Don't use other tenses. See, old is gold. Old is third one singular, so that is old is gold. Next, rolling stone. It is a subject. Which person it is? There is no I, we, you. So it is a third person. Rolling stone, only one. So that what is that? Third one singular, so that gather becomes gathers. Gather becomes gathers. Rolling stone gathers no moss. Rolle rayitu moss puddle. Barking dog, same thing. Third one singular, seldom bite. Becomes bites. Becomes bites. So proverbs. And likes and dislikes. To refer likes and dislikes, we have to write likes and dislikes in the simple present only. I like coffee. I first comes singular, so that only we want. I like coffee. He has dislikes sweets. It is the third one singular, so that dislikes. He dislikes what is that? Sweets. And Rama, it is the third one singular, so that there is a verb. There is a verb. So in this type of questions are given in your examination also. D means you have to write here negative. Okay, like and the third one singular is there. Third one singular and the singular and the third one singular. To make a negative and interrogative, you have to use what? Does. Here does not like. Rama does not like eating chocolates. Does not like eating chocolates. Just by meaning you can write it is a negative or a positive. Positive, it's enough. Likes is enough. But like there is a verb, but there is no B form here. So it is a negative form. So that Rama does not like eating chocolates. So that is. And here don't think there is a eating, so that is a present continuous, because the main verb is what? Like. Fixed plan. Fixed plan. We have many plans. Okay, so the fixed plan can be written in simple present tense only. Whether it will start, what is that, in future, but we can write in simple present tense only. The match between India and England starts, not start, will start. Of course, will start off straighter, but fixed plan, so that we can write only what is that, starts, simple present tense. We dash go to America next month. Next month simple future. It's a fixed plan, so that we go to. Third first person go, so that go. we go to America next month. We go to America next month. Next month, our CM dance. It is the third one singular. So what is the comes? Our CM comes to our town today. It's a plan. Okay, it's not happen. What is that? On the spot, rapidly, suddenly. Okay, it is a pre-planned one. It is a fixed plan, so that we can write what is the simple variance. Fixed plan can be written in only simple variance. So what I am saying is here, all these cases can be written in only simple variance. We never write these cases in what is the simple past, past continuous, present continuous, or future continuous, or any tense. We have to write in only simple variance, simple present tense. I hope you could understand it. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next session.